Daddy's washing machine review is sponsored by Fairy Non-Bio Pods. For a clean wash every time, kind to skin, Fairy Non-Bio Pods sponsors Daddy's washing machine review. Welcome to Daddy's washing machine review. Yes, it's a brand new show on YouTube, Daddy's washing machine review. And I'm reviewing this washing machine today. It's a Finlux FWM146J. Oh my goodness me, just look at the spin action there. And as always, I'm joined by my trusty sidekicks, the guinea pigs, Daisy and Buttercup. Let's say hello to them. Daisy, Buttercup, out you come. Say hello to your many fans on Daddy's washing machine review on YouTube. Don't forget to like us. Daddy's washing machine review is sponsored by Fairy Non-Bio Pods. For a clean wash every time, kind to skin, Fairy Non-Bio Pods sponsors Daddy's washing machine review.